joining us today. Today we're here to talk about some transformation in the marketplace where we're seeing a market shift from traditional SRM needs to automation. So I'm joined today, my name is Phil Godwin with Visual Storage Intelligence. I'm joined today with Van Simons, our CTO. And we're here to talk about automation and what that means to us and how we help with storage management. So if I look at the history or the legacy of what's happened in the storage market, storage management market, years ago there were products called Storage Resource Management, SRM. And they did a lot of data collection, a lot of reporting, analytics, monitoring, alerting. But there were some challenges in those tools as well. Some of the challenges that we've heard from our clients and we've seen in the market is they were very expensive. So it was hard for IT organizations to get these products budget approved. Once they got it approved, there was a lot of implementation needs, so a lot of consulting, a long ramp to get up and running in production. And then the third was a lot of people time, a lot of resources needed to keep the care and feeding of the product. So what we saw the market do is instead of buying these products, they were buying Excel spreadsheets. They were using Excel spreadsheets and manual processes. So today, what we believe the market is, it's really more around automation and data collection and visualization of heterogeneous storage environments combined with compute, SAN networking, all these things that we can pull together. So Van, when we talk about that, one of the things that I find interesting is how we automate the data collection, and we are able to do that across such a wide variety of arrays. Can you comment a little bit about that?
Yeah, so the customer feedback for us was we want to collect all this data, and it's not just collect the individual data, but have the ability then to integrate it all with no action required at the customer end. So it's one of those things. So we've implemented all these devices have native ways to collect data. So our job is to collect that data, organize it all into one common format that we can then help customers and organize it in a way to make decisions with it and to plot trends, etc. So we automate the whole collection as well as the data parsing and putting it into a common data model so customers that can then see how am I growing, where's my peaks, where's my valleys, what are my trends, so they can make decisions and not spend all their time in data collection. Early on, we had a customer who said, it takes me weeks to collect the data and minutes to make a decision, and you've reversed that whole thing for me. Now I can in minutes, all my data is collected, and I can spend all the rest of the time making the best decisions. So we've automated all of that through software.